Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on see this is gigabyte.com and this is search box. Just click on it and enter your model number of motherboard Z790S Wi-Fi DDR4. Then enter hit DDR4. Then enter hit enter. Then you can see there are two. So both same. Just click first. Click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. Okay, so both if you are using any but installations process same, select any, no. So first audio driver, this is audio driver, and just click to download. It will take some time to complete. So it is completed. Then open. Now this is exe, so you have to click on double click. And click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now installing. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then close it. Chipset. So extract chipset. After that, see intel serial driver and click to download. And after downloaded, open this folder and you have to this extracted, so double click and then yes. So it is install and close it. Then Intel INF installations and click to download. Completed. After that, open it, then double click on, then click on yes. Now this is installing. And then install it and then close. LAN driver, a Realtek LAN driver, 10 MB, and click to download. then click to single click to open, then exe, and then click to yes. Okay, now you can see this LAN driver installing. Then close it automatically, means this is installed. VGA driver. So Intel VGA graphic driver, and click to download. So it is start downloading. So it is completed, and just open it, graphic driver, and just double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to installation. Now this is installing. Then it is automatically closed, means this is installed. Bluetooth driver, and this is size. Just click on download. Start downloading. Then it is completed. Just single click to open the Bluetooth driver, and this is exe, so you have to double click. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system to installations. So it is close and done. So guys, WLAN means Wi-Fi driver. So this is Intel Wi-Fi. So when you click to download now, it will start downloading here. I already downloaded this one. Just single click to open, and double click exe, and then yes. install and close it.